The ATM business is a surprisingly straightforward and potentially lucrative venture. Today, we will guide you step by step on how to start your own ATM business. But before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Did you know that as of last year, there were over 3 million ATMs worldwide? In fact, statistics show that an average ATM transaction fee in the US is around $4.72. Considering that most ATMs have hundreds of transactions a month, you can do the math. First off, let's discuss the essentials. An ATM machine, a reliable network connection, and a location with high foot traffic. The machine itself will cost you anywhere from $2,000 to $8,000, depending on the make and model. Secondly, you need to set up a secure and stable network connection for your ATM. This connection will allow the machine to communicate with banking systems, enabling users to withdraw cash. It's crucial to have a dedicated, reliable connection to ensure uninterrupted service. Now, the location of your ATM is a significant factor in your business's success. Places with high foot traffic like convenience stores, malls, and event centers are ideal. The more people around your ATM, the higher the likelihood of transactions. Remember, your profits come from transaction fees. To maximize profits, consider setting up multiple ATMs in different high-traffic locations. One study from the University of California showed that ATM fees can increase by up to 20% at ATMs near tourist hotspots. Once you've decided on your location, the next step is to secure your permits and licenses. The specific requirements will vary depending on your local and state laws, so it's best to do your research or consult with a business attorney. To stay on the right side of the law and protect your investment, consider getting insurance for your ATM business. This can help cover losses from theft or damage to your machines. Another crucial aspect of the ATM business is cash management. You need to ensure that your ATMs are consistently stocked with cash. Depending on the number of transactions, this could mean restocking every few days or once a week. Lastly, maintain a solid relationship with your customers and the business owners where your ATMs are located. Running an ATM business can be a profitable venture if done right. With an average annual return on investment between 20 to 30%, it could be your gateway to financial freedom. If you want to learn more about how to start an ATM business, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our organization right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting an ATM business? Does the process seem simple or complicated? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.